Cruelty-Free.
Hey guys, it's Nikki here with Xpose Cosmetics, and today I'm going to do a super cool and easy fall look for you using all Xpose. So I'm going to use the contour kit, the blushing bombshell, the all grown up highlight, and then the Golden Diva palette for my eyes, and I'm going to finish it off with a really gorgeous red lip in Daredevil. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with my foundation. My foundation is pretty good. So now I'm going to go ahead and add some contour. So now that the foundation and the cream contour is done, I'm going to go ahead and finish it off with our contour kit, and I'm going to be using these colors, the medium and the dark. For the next step, I'm going to use the blushing bombshell kit, these 6 gorgeous colors, and for this look I'm going to be using these two, the Sex Kitten and the Foreplay. Alright, so now that I'm done doing my face, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the eyes, and today for the eyes we're going to go ahead and use the Golden Diva palette. The 4 colors that I'm going to be using for this look are 24 Karat, Golden Dune, Juicy Fruit, which I love this color, I use it with all my looks, and then Core. This is a really gorgeous brown that I love too. And we are going to be applying them with our Xpose brushes. Everything in this brand is cruelty-free, so these are 100% vegan. I absolutely love them. They're so soft, they blend everything perfectly. And of course, all of our colors are vegan-free too. Okay, so the first color that I'm going to put right up here in the crease is going to be that Juicy Fruit color. It's a really gorgeous transition color. Very natural brown with just a little bit of warmth. It's gorgeous.
It's a rolling, not a stop. Watch shit don't never stop.
Okay, and really quickly I just want to swatch a couple of these because they're so gorgeous. The pigment is awesome, and the shimmer, it just doesn't do it any justice like this. So here I'm going to swatch the 24 Karat and then the Hawkeye. These are my favorite ones.
It's a rolling, not a stop. Watch shit don't never stop.
our finished look, the last touch is my favorite, it's everyone's favorite, is our highlight palette. So I'm going to finish it off with a little bit of the Dreamin' and the Golden Diva.